So let's train the model using this, using the sklearn library. So from sklearn learn linear model import linear regression create the regression model is equal to linear regression fit the model to the data model dot fit x comma y and then run it. Let's train the model sklearn. Let's train the model is not defined. Model is equal to linear regression. Expect 2D array, got 1D array instead. Changing the dimension, changing the dimension of the array from 1D to 2D. So array dot reshape for my current variable x and y. What you do is run, then display the fitted model bench. Predicted, use the model's coefficient to calculate the predicted, right?